Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Red color. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for dog. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. Green color. One, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, S-I-X, six. Seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. 10, T-E-N, 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about green color and red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.